In this video, I'm going to show you how the rich get richer and how you can too. All you need is 5 easy steps that I'm going to break down for you. Hey there, my name is Mr. FOMO, and in this video, I want to talk about something that's on a lot of people's minds: financial freedom. How do the rich get richer? Is it through luck or hard work? The answer might surprise you. 1. Invest in yourself. Why invest in yourself? Whether you're looking to improve your career prospects or simply want to boost your self-confidence, investing in yourself is always a wise choice. When you invest in yourself, you're essentially investing in your future. After all, you are your own best asset. By taking the time to invest in yourself, you're ensuring that you'll be able to reach your full potential. There are many ways to invest in yourself. You can invest in your education by taking courses or pursuing an advanced degree. Or you can invest in your professional development by attending seminars and workshops. You can also invest in your physical health by eating right and exercising regularly. And don't forget about the power of positive thinking. Investing in yourself also means making a commitment to improving your mental and emotional well-being. So why wait? If you're not investing in yourself, you're missing out on one of the best opportunities for growth and development. Start investing in yourself today and see where it takes you. 2. Control your expenses. If you're like most people, controlling your expenses is a constant struggle. You might be able to save up for a few months, but then something always comes along and blows your budget. Whether it's a new car, a vacation, or an unexpected medical bill, it can be tough to stay on track. But there's one simple trick that can help you control your expenses: talking to someone about it. When you share your financial goals with a friend or family member, you're more likely to stick to them. That's because you'll feel accountable to someone else, and you won't want to let them down. Plus, they can offer helpful advice and support when you're feeling tempted to overspend. So if you're struggling to control your expenses, find someone who will hold you accountable. It could be a spouse, parent, sibling, or friend. Just make sure it's someone you trust and who has your best interests at heart. With their help, you'll be able to stay on track and reach your financial goals. 3. Make more money. There's no shortage of advice on how to make more money, but a lot of it is conflicting or simply doesn't work. If you're looking for some practical tips that can help you boost your income, YouTube is a great place to start. Here are 3 popular money-making strategies that you can learn about on YouTube. Investing in stocks and mutual funds. This is a long-term strategy that can help you build wealth over time. There are plenty of videos on YouTube that can teach you the basics of investing, and there are also several channels devoted specifically to this topic. Starting your own business. This is a great option if you're entrepreneurial and willing to put in the hard work. There are many successful entrepreneurs who started out by posting videos on YouTube, and they're now making a good living from their businesses. If this is something you're interested in, there are lots of helpful resources on YouTube that can help you get started. Saving money on everyday expenses. If you're looking for ways to save money, YouTube is a great place to start. There are many channels devoted to frugal living, and they can offer some great tips on how to cut down on your expenses. You can also find videos on specific topics like couponing or bargain shopping. No matter what your financial goals are, there's likely a resource on YouTube that can help you reach them. So check out some of these money-making videos and see what tips you can glean from them. 4. Protect your income and assets. Most people understand the importance of protecting their income and assets, but many don't know how to go about it. There are a few simple steps you can take to help safeguard your finances. First, make sure you have adequate insurance coverage. This will protect you in the event of an accident or unforeseen medical expenses. Second, invest in some form of asset protection. This could be a savings account, stocks, or even a piece of property. By diversifying your assets, you'll be better prepared for any potential financial setbacks. Finally, be sure to create a budget and stick to it. By tracking your income and expenditures, you'll be able to see where your money is going and make adjustments accordingly. By following these simple tips, you can help protect your income and assets. 5. Leave a legacy. What will your legacy be? It's a question that we all must ask ourselves at some point in our lives. For some of us, the answer is clear. We want to leave behind a legacy of achievement, of making a difference in the world. For others, the answer is less clear. We may not have a specific goal in mind, but we know that we want to leave something behind that will be remembered. Whatever your legacy may be, there are steps you can take to ensure that it is left in the best possible way. First and foremost, it is important to communicate your legacy to those who will inherit it. This can be done through conversations, letters, or even simply leaving instructions. Second, it is important to make sure that your legacy is properly funded. This may involve setting up a trust or making other financial arrangements. Finally, it is important to stay focused on your legacy. Don't let other priorities get in the way of ensuring that your legacy is carried out as you intend. By taking these steps, you can ensure that your legacy will be remembered and carried out exactly as you wish. So ask yourself today, what kind of legacy do you want to leave behind? And then take the necessary steps to make it happen. Finally, financial freedom is within your grasp. You now know the 5 easy steps to take in order to join the ranks of the rich. So what are you waiting for? Take action now and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips on financial success. With my help, you can achieve financial freedom and start living the life you've always dreamed of. Thanks for watching.